Please subscribe, like, and share.
Eno Barony. Eno Barony. Barony net to say.
My feel.
Fear my feel pa. Eno be a guy, that's it.
My feel keke meshetasa.
Only problem. Mess or two cry upon ya mess or two.
But
nice one. Now ababum to say.
Nyame adumo bibia eboko.
Nyankopon gu so sia.
Nyame adu.
Ye dana se pa. Mo fa camera ne to ne so na Ghana fo nhwe ne ye. Rapper na oti studio ha na o punchlines a we hwe go. Mo fa camera ne to ne so esi ne mumie mu bi nka ho ma no. Ai mumie mu ma no. Enye sika. Barony. Mo de mo hwe ne trinwe mo a mo hwe Facebook live e wo DJ Ohimawyeje and Angel 102.9 FM page you know. Monshe Eno ni trinwe kala na ni achinwi ne pencil na hwehwe ni wa asoja fo atade e hye no eni ni ina no ase ntokro bi de dem sa no ase obi wani obetumi ehuni ama obetumi ehuni ama obehu overload no na ase ho den no amohu ne babo anu so me ofa kama no ko fo mo nyina na fo ehwe twa assessment ti ehwe ni nyina ehwe ni nyina de me tu ho no maje aboso eno the whole Ghana ose ensonsuni ada ono ne the highest in terms so ono wo hye dey
me scared
yeah enye sa akra nka wutwa no mo highest and I refer to Sakodiana.
Obiane ne highest.
Eno unsu say Ghana highest is you.
Almost see omo ho.
Na what I said omuntu means.
Oh there.
Because seriously no. Rapper we ye. Any punchlines that we share go no.
Yeah.
E mema no bebre nto.
Yes.
And so I say ye ma wo mo hype no e chen. What do you say about that?
Say baby I remember edoso no eya na omo popo omo ni chemba but me no eya na omo nya me target so me money ha me
oh my oh if say ni na o ya adwuma
professionally make 5 years
5 years
yeah.
But we shall see we bo underground
na
yeah there nice one and then motivation ti a rapper na person ye
that's and then I like me the best because I mean, then I was my friend, probably was making me stand there out and do its best and be called the king of queens. I mean, cause called join and cause singers no. Nah, I can do it. Meeting me, yeah, mommy fans. I mean, if need near rise, say mental and your mommy fans, I may but still, we be a bit of rap in there. Yeah, and to my fans, no, mean to me let you more down. That is why I'm always rapping.
I say we are very different. Ghana ha my nyom share abroana na moments be omoni ade I mean kitesi a omo ye nia emrante ne ye ni ade but say we are very different.
Yeah.
And na o style no e dance ankasa.
Yeah.
What susu ho ahwe?
Me aware cuz I mean me ba out no. Me who say mba bebre wo ho and then na me pese me ye bibia like me dance and until na me dem style buy you know. And after me buy you can see a lot of people want to be like me. Yeah. But I don't know the photocopy no entimi
original
papa and original until say they be o ma ho original in what you are doing. Yeah. I
see. Now does it look like Ghanaians are ready to accept the hardcore rap from a female because we have accepted the male?
Yeah.
But me I feel say exposure is just a winya no.
Yeah.
Ghana emfa mao.
Yeah.
Enti osha is it that Ghana is not ready to accept this same thing na me ye na ye heli wom from a woman and that is why baby esase Ghana do esi no nya ho na do esi.
When it comes to female side where industry ni man kasana like the whole industry is a bit shaky kakra. Yeah, but then Ubesha, I'm a hardcore rapper, but still I please my fans when it has to do with songs that has to make them dance, songs that has to make them party with and all. And you know, me family share a yiba kum say, say like a wana like me nature. No, when a band say me hardcore to keep my reputation, but when it has to do say me for baby I'm the virgin me coins near the end, so I have to be there. Yeah. Okay,
I see. Now, yanshe, entino challenges ben sa and our facey as a lady doing what you're doing. No, the main challenges.
Challenges in the doors, especially when we a female na opese oba out. And I'm saying to say be complaining about grades, sex for grades. It happens in our industry as well because we are
including any sex for management and production and
sex for just camera. easy
Oh,
because
yeah?
maybe I was not
we
for like when I was new, me me person me. There were lots of times I remember wanted to take advantage of me.
Okay, so
Yeah, and like me danyame has to say like mama.
One for mom.
No.
One for Bianche.
Me and my then I padlock that day.
Angel,
And even from our own
102.9.
colleagues, yeah, because it was a meme and it me mingle so nice. But if you go and mingle with your own colleagues, sometimes it's a different story altogether. And see now, when you have a good management, I bet
Why would I manage you?
I'm managed by Magic Minds Music Group.
Are they doing their work the way you expect them to do it?
Yeah, I started working with them like just this year. Yeah.
Okay.
And Obesha, like I mean things are going on cool. So,
Okay.
yeah.
But before then, does it look like management is swam wow to get to where you really want to get to?
Oh, me fan shame me trim set management me or this like obi a new obeka say many artists ye juma ba me pese me can share. But just say be like that what they are doing might not be enough.
Okay.
So make us say be every management that I've worked with was trying their best. Me
get to in the industry?
Me person me dream so be like I mean all the African matters, like anything that matters with Emma on this continent, like I'll be able to channel it to the world through my music. That's what I want to do.
Okay. Big guys, say they want to finance or projects away any idea. I mean, looking at how our style in the city,
Yeah.
Do you get such?
Yeah, I get it, but mostly will be and yet finance can pay.
What's up,
I say like any meeting, but
what do you tell more fine?
Now it's like a pen or pen when you man no person.
You know your format or the baby body.
Yeah, and most of them.
Open body no.
Oh
yeah, and it shows about to say when your shows Ghana any outside.
Yeah,
so far what you crying? What about shows?
I get calls from outside and all, but I think it's just the African countries now. Like I've gone to do shows and all, and Ghana there. I mean, every month I'm booked. So yeah.
Please subscribe, like, and share.